You are very lucky to be a teenager in today's day and age, because you can get online and start making money for yourself right away. And who knows, become a millionaire by the time you're in your 20s. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually make money online as a teenager. All right, so let's get right into it. So I'm sharing my screen with you today because I'm going to show you how you actually make money online as a teenager. And there are a wide range of platforms out there. They're called freelance platforms where you can work as a teenager, I think 13 and up is the age that you have to be in order to be able to freelance and work for yourself from home, earn some extra income as a teenager. Like, start developing your work ethic, and this will be fantastic for you. Like, you will truly enjoy this. I wish I had this information when I was younger. I would have jumped right into it right away. So this website is called Upwork.com. It is one of the many freelance platforms where you can actually make money with and start earning income for yourself from home. There is also Fiverr.com, which is really, really popular as well. There is peopleperhour.com. There's also freelancer.com. Let me go back up to the top here. Freelancer.com. There's guru.com, legit.com, toptal.com, and there's a wide range of other freelance platforms where you can actually create a profile on there and start making money for yourself from home. Now, since you're a teenager, you probably don't have that many skills. So what I would suggest starting out is to actually do design and creative, which I'm going to click on here on Upwork. And you can scroll down and it will say, here are some of the things that you can do when it comes to design and creative or creative work. Photoshop editing, web and mobile design, presentation design, video editing, things like that. But I would suggest something like content creation. So that would be really great for a young person just starting out, because then you can actually, because most young people are into social media. Social media is huge. I don't think I know any young person that isn't on social media. So if you get onto social media and you're enjoying the platform, why don't you start making money with it, right? So you can connect with people and actually create their content for them. So Fiverr as well, same thing. Digital marketing, social media marketing. So those are content marketing, creating content for those either influencers or people that are on these freelance platforms, clients that are on these freelance platforms looking for that work. And the way you can provide that content creation, those designs, is simply with Canva.com, which is a free website. And with Canva, you can design a wide range of social media posts. And all you have to do is actually type in whatever it is. Here it is right here, like Facebook posts, Instagram posts. It already has the size, the correct size for you, ready to go. You can create logos as well, Instagram stories. So you simply just create an account, sign up for a Canva.com account, get into that editor and start. And then they have a wide range of templates for you. So all you have to do is edit those templates. And Canva, as I said, Canva is free unless you want their paid features, which, they're good as well, but you don't have to have those paid features. You can utilize everything for free. If there's images that you need, there's a website I go to. What is that website? PNG. There we go. highclipart.com. And on this website, that kind of just took me to something that I needed to download. highclipart.com, and you can find a wide range of different things, different images that you can download for free with a transparent background. So look at these Bitcoins right here. So say you have a client that you're working with that they do cryptocurrency and they want a bunch of cryptocurrency posts, social media posts, and simply put, you just go to Canva, go to the designer. Let's see if I'm not logged in, so let's see if it'll let me actually play around with the designer so I can show you. So yeah, this is the canvas right here. And here are a bunch of templates right here. So you can just simply choose one of those templates that you'd want to create the social media posts about, like anything, whatever it could be. Like, for example, if I put this here, oh, see, They want you to log in or sign up, which takes a few seconds, which doesn't matter. That's fine as well. But just create your account, and this is the blank canvas that you'll have, and you can choose one of these templates that you want to edit. And like I said, if you need images so you don't have to pay for a Canva account, you can go to highclipart.com, search for whatever that image is that you need, download it for free, and upload it into Canva, and get to editing, get to creating those content posts for those clients, and start making money online for yourself. And like I said, I wish I knew this information when I was younger. I would have loved to be on these freelance platforms. But here's the thing, when I was younger, these freelance platforms did not exist. So I wouldn't have been able to. So with that, you are very lucky to be a teenager in today's day and age, because you can get online and start making money for yourself right away. And who knows, become a millionaire by the time you're in your 20s. You know what I'm saying? Like, I wish I had this stuff when I was younger. I would have consumed all of it and just been making money for myself right away. So yeah, that is how you as a teenager can start making money for yourself online and start freelancing. And it doesn't have to be content creation. I just suggest that there's a wide range of other things you can do. Like on Fiverr, they show so many different things. Website design, presentation design. So if you have a PowerPoint account, you can start creating presentations for people, infographics for them, flyers, brochures, posters, a wide range of different things. Digital marketing, social media, as I mentioned, book and ebook marketing, podcast marketing, writing and translation. If you do really good when it comes to English in school, then you might want to actually start doing some writing for clients. And so look at all these things. There's so much possibility for you today as a young person. And even if there's older people that are watching these videos, there's possibility for you as well. I started later on, but I'm doing really well, and I continue to do well because I'm like, okay, I got to be resourceful. And I truly enjoy what I do as it is. So unboxing videos, you can actually record videos for clients that is unboxing their product. And sometimes I actually let you keep the product. Spokesperson videos, I actually create those for my clients as well. Music and audio, you can actually write songs for people, songwriters. So there's a wide range of possibilities out there for you as a young person. And I hope that this is something that you'll gravitate towards, because you can start earning money right away for yourself. And it'll be quite fun for you, that journey. I look forward to your success in that. That will be, that's pretty great. I wish I had that opportunity, but you have it. So take as much advantage of it as you possibly can, because that's quite an incredible opportunity for you. So hopefully that video was helpful for you in terms of actually learning how you can make money for yourself online from home as a teenager. The information provided you can definitely put it into play right away. As I said, when it comes to Canva, you want to get on there in the freelance platforms, create your own profiles on those, and actually start making money for yourself from home as a teenager. The one thing you cannot buy back is time. So enjoy the time that you have as a teenager, but also be building a business up for yourself so that you won't have to continue working for 40 years straight doing something that you don't enjoy. You want to do something that you enjoy. So over time, like if you don't like content creation, whatever one of those other skills that you can do on those freelance platforms, learn that and start implementing the information and actually start working for yourself, doing something that you truly love, you're passionate about, and you really, really enjoy it. I hope this information was helpful for you. If it was, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. I will answer them for you and possibly even create a new video about that question or comment that you have provided. I appreciate your attention and thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.